Trieste is celebrating holidays with perfect weather. So we are asking city dwellers what it's like to spend these holidays by the sea.
Pretty nice because it's like December, so it doesn't feel like winter at all. And I'm used to the cold, so I kind of like the cold weather also. But it's nice to have a walk during December and it's hot, so it's pretty nice.
Like for you to spend these holidays by the sea?
It's really not holidays because we live here in Trieste, but by the sea for us is like normal. It's a special gift to have a sea here, so to spend time on the sea. It's so relaxing.
Che abitiamo qui a Trieste, quindi effettivamente forse spesso e volentieri non cogliamo questa fortuna, la diamo quasi per scontato. Penso che però chi arriva qua a Trieste effettivamente sia una bella vetrina.
Austria, we have no sea, obviously, and it's always nice and like a kind of homecoming feeling also.
Definitely it's different than in the continental area. Not only that you have a sea, but also that the temperatures are higher.
So what is it like for you to spend these holidays by the sea?
Very nice. Trieste is a very beautiful city, and it's have many things to do, and great castle Miramare is excellent, and the day today is beautiful, so I'm enjoying here.